Giggles and grapes.
In this video, let's color the characters of Sesame Street. This is Ernie. Let's start by coloring Ernie's face and hands. Orange. Ernie is an orange Muppet. Let's color the tongue in pink. Nose and mouth in red. Let's color the shirt now. Ernie wears a multicolor shirt, just like that of Bert. Blue, red, yellow, and done. Let's color the trouser in blue and shoes in red. Let's color the name now. This is Ernie. This is Ernie. This is Big Bird. Let's begin the coloring. Can you tell what color is the big bird? Yellow. Let's color the beak and feet in orange. Mouth in pink. Safety kit in green. This includes the helmet too. Safety first. Let's color the name now. This is Big Bird. This is Big Bird. This is Zoe. Let's color tongue in pink. Mouth in red. Her fur in orange. Zoe's dress is in pink. And crown in yellow. Let's color the jewelry in red. Let's color the name now. This is Zoe. This is Zoe. This is Abby Cadabby. Let's start from the nose. Color it in red. Mouth in red too. Abby has pink hair. Abby's fur is pink too. The shade is lighter than that of the hair. Let's color the wings and wand in gray and dress in blue. Let's color the name now. This is Abby Cadabby. This is Abby Cadabby. This is Telly Monster. Let's begin coloring. Let's color Telly's nose and tongue in orange. Let's color the mouth in black. Let's color Telly's brows blue. Time to color Telly's fur. Dark pink it is. Telly Monster is a worrying reddish-purple monster from Sesame Street. He loves triangles. Let's color the name now. This is Telly Monster. This is Telly Monster. This is Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster loves cookies. Let's color the mouth in black. Now, let's color the cookies in brown. The jar in pink. and the Cookie Monster in blue. Let's color the name now. This is Cookie Monster. This is Cookie Monster. This is Count Von Count. He is a vampire-like Muppet. Let's color his cloak green and orange on inside. Count has two prominent canine teeth. Let's color the tongue orange. The jewelry in yellow. Count has purple skin. Let's color face and hands in purple. Mouth in black. Count's suit is also black. Let's color the remaining shoes in gray. Let's color the name now. This is Count Von Count. This is Count Von Count. This is Grover. Let's begin by coloring the nose. Let's color the mouth in orange. Grover has blue fur. Let's color the name now. This is Grover. This is Grover.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.